I don't have legal status in the United States. I'm undocumented, and so I'm working, but I'm working in the black market under the table. And so the question is, should I file taxes or not? And then what are the consequences of either point? And so, well, first and foremost, I cannot tell you, I'm required not to tell you to do anything illegal. But let me give you a framework for how to think about it. So to work in an undocumented manner, so to work under the table for cash, that's you're violating one law there. If you don't file taxes, now you're violating a second law. And so one of the ways to think about it is, well, you can violate both or you can violate one, and so you choose. Now, is USCIS going to look at IRS records? As of right now, they're not. That's not to say that some of these things will not come together in the future. You never know. But one of the points that becomes interesting is when you try to either adjust status or you try to get some kind of permanent benefit into the United States. One of the things that's considered by a judge is whether you filed your taxes or not. And so if you have been undocumented, but nonetheless you've been a tax-paying member of the society, that might be deemed a positive thing in your favor. Okay, so that's one way to look at it, and it might be helpful to you. So that's a way to look at the tax implications. So whether you file taxes or you don't file taxes, the IRS is not gonna. IRS wants you to file taxes. Of course, they want to collect on anything that's being produced in the country, but USCIS or Citizenship and Immigration Services is not going to go and look at IRS tax records if you're undocumented, or at least they're not right now. So there you have it. Thank you for watching.